Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add an email button to a PDF form using Kofax Power PDF. First open your PDF form. This is my PDF form. And now I will add here a email button. Click this form option. Here we will find this button tool option. Click here and select your email button area. And click right button for properties. Click the another option. Select here outline color. I'll choose this color. Sorry, this color. Solid, line thickness thick, fill color white, text color, I choose this text color and click this option, type here your name, email, click action. Here we will find this execute a menu item, click here and click add and click this file option. Here we will find this email option, click here. Now click OK and click close and finally click the hand option and click this email whole document, current page, range and page option, whole document. Okay, you need to create a Microsoft Outlook profile in Microsoft Windows. Go to the and now click OK and next. Yes, type your email here and password or manual setup erasure of server type here. This is and back. And finally click this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.